Dr. Lambeau, I have learned enough. I think I'm ready to trade now. Please let me start now. I can't wait. Ow!
Relax. To be a successful trader, courage is not enough. You need to have a good foundation of the Forex market. Today, I will guide you on some other factors that have an impact on the prices of currency pairs. Political factors. The value of a currency can be influenced by the underlying political situation of its country. Indeed, compared with stocks and bonds, the Forex market tends to be more volatile in case of major political events at home or abroad. This is mainly because currencies are classified as liquid assets. As such, the potential risk for a liquid asset is greater than that of other assets during a period of political instability. Political risk factors in Forex are associated with unstable political environment, such as changes in economic climate, regime change, tightened regulation, and trade war. These factors include elections, wars, coups, border conflicts, and terrorist activities. In most cases, the US dollar tends to strengthen when there is political instability outside the United States. That's because the dollar is viewed as a safe haven in times of heightened risks. A good example is what happened during the Gulf War, also known as the Operation Desert Shield. When the war started on January 17th, the dollar spiked against most currencies. Indeed, at some point, the pound sterling to US dollar pair dropped to a multi-year low of 1.8990. The dollar started to decline when the US announced that it had successfully controlled the instability of the exchange rate. The pound sterling to US dollar bounced back from 1.8990 to 1.9353, and it kept rising in the following month. The relationship between the war's exchange rates and gold has been covered in many finance courses, so I will try to explain it in a simpler way. When there's a major war, rich people are the first to rush to offshore protection. This leads to a higher demand for widely usable liquid assets like the US dollar and gold. Subsequently, this leads to a higher demand and limited supply, pushing their prices higher. Indeed, J.P. Morgan was once quoted saying, "Gold is money, everything else is credit." Political events are often beyond what is normally expected by the market, causing spot price to fluctuate violently. Okay, today we've learned some political factors that can affect exchange rate, including elections, wars, coups, border conflicts, and terrorist activities. Well, I have an after-class quiz for you to see if you have mastered the material. So that's what we've learned for today, and in the next video, we'll introduce the most popular Forex trading software, MT4, and its usage.